Alright, so push this tab in. We're on the passenger side. Where's that tab at? Push it in, pull down. There. That's disconnected, and then you'll counterclockwise this out. Come on. Oh. I never knew it had a light on it. Alright, all it's gotta do is come out. There we go. Gotta line up all those holes. That's the burnout one. You should see, yep, it's burnt out. You can see where it doesn't make a connection. Alright, let's get the new one on without touching the bulb itself.
That's funny.
Yeah, don't touch the bulb. Here's the old. Here's that junk. Just gotta put it in there. Put it in there and turn. It's in there. Jiggle it, make sure. And then, oh, hold on. Damn it. It was facing downward. Alright. There we go. Come on. It's in there. And then you turn it to the right. Come on, go in there.